let me qualify, SIM card registration, meaning ito po'y direct result ng SIM card registration. For the period September 12, 2022 to December 26, 2022, ang reported cases po ay 51,874. Ngayon, the average daily number is now just simply at 489.37. So malaki na po yung nabawas. Ang total number of text scam after registration from December 27, 2022 to September 15, 2024 ay 121,826. Ngayon po, meron lang tayong average daily number na 193. So, malaki na po ang binawas.